Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to show your LinkedIn current experience details right from your PC using the latest LinkedIn update. If you want your profile to stand out and give visitors a clear view of your professional journey, this quick tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo with the word Me underneath it. Click on the Me icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you straight to your LinkedIn profile page, where all your professional information is displayed. Now, focus your attention on the right side of the page. You'll notice a section labeled Public Profile and URL. Next to this section, there's a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this edit icon to access your public profile settings. Once you're in the public profile settings, scroll down until you find the section called Current Experience. Here, LinkedIn has introduced a new toggle option labeled Details. To make your current experience details visible to others, simply enable this toggle. When you turn it on, your current job title, company, and other relevant details will be displayed on your public profile, making it easier for recruiters, colleagues, and potential connections to see what you're working on right now. After enabling the details, take a moment to review your public profile. You can do this by clicking on the View As option to see how your profile appears to others. If everything looks good, you're all set. That's it. Your current experience details are now visible on your LinkedIn profile, thanks to the new update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.